Okay, the goodman's in defrost. It's vibrating. It just actually got into defrost. The coils look pretty frozen. And I'm starting to feel some nice warm heat. And there is what the compressor looks like. And it's the heat coming off of the top smells weird. And there's a chance to see it. There's the working valve. Sorry. Oh my god. I gotta clear this thing off. Sorry about that. The steam, well, whatever you call it, the humidity coming from the top of the heat pump actually. So here's my Goodman heat pump and defrost. The fourth video of my Goodman and defrost. I've also got a video of the Lennox and defrost, except, and here it is going back into heat mode. The air coming out of the fan is kind of warm. That was weird. I'll go around to another central unit, and one more thing, the bonus little thing adding into the clip, my neighbor's Heil and their Rude. Their Rude is newer than the Heil. Here's my Goodman heat pump running in heat mode.